Hi everyone, Diane here. Welcome back to YARNvent 2023. It is December the 23rd. I hope you are having an okay time this holiday season. You're able to spend it with family and friends if that is what you so desire. And if you are struggling, I see you and I hope you are doing okay. So let's get started. This is the final color of the Polkadot Creek 12 Days of Minis, and I am excited to see what this final color is. Ooh. This color is called Lilac Bush. Generally, I would not consider these my colors, but the gray seems to subdue them enough and actually highlight them enough that I'm really enjoying the look of them. So this is the final color. Cambridge Fibres Limited. Excuse the crinkling. Oh, another one of the 24/7 cotton yarn. I don't have a lot of cotton in my stash. Higher quality cotton, not a dishcloth cotton. And I have three colors that I think will go nicely together. This is called Amber. It's 126 yards. Yeah, I smelled the yarn. A 4-weight. 100% mercerized cotton. I think mercerized has some sort of component in there that it gives you a much more vibrant color and a much more longer wearing color. So probably would be good for garments. I'm thinking this would be really good for toys for me. And Aberdeen's wool. Ooh, it's kind of like a steely gray color. Beautiful. It's Smash Knits Holiday Sock Box time. Yes, everything rather went very quickly for me that I didn't plan things well enough. I was going to open this Christmas Day, but I do have some other things to open. And I don't want that video to be very long because it is time to spend with our family and friends or to choose to do whatever you want to do. Some people go to movies on Christmas. Are you one of those people that like to go out to a movie? So again, a very lovely sized box. Sorry, I just got distracted by a truck driving by. I'm like, I didn't buy anything else, did I? A very beautiful box. Always a good box to have. Just got my invoice here. Now, I showed you this before, and a little bit of a clarification. It says, "Dear Diane, you have been very nice this year and deserve all the yarn. Love Santa and Smash Knits." Now, you know when you order something through a yarn company and there's a notes field that you can put notes? I was a little cheeky and I asked them to write this note to me. I also told them that I was the crazy chick you met at the Fibre Fest that dyed her own yarn, because I did go up and asked her to smell it because I was kind of concerned it smelled a little sheepy. And I have been following them on Instagram, and I told them what my Instagram name was as well, just for her to make the connection because we've had a few conversations. So they're an incredibly nice couple that live in Defrost, Manitoba. Their names are Ashley and Norm. And the yarn I purchased from the Fibre Fest from them is just lovely. I'm going to link the Fibre Fest video below. And so let's see what we get in this box. There was a whole bunch of different options when you could buy it. You could get extras in it, but I chose just to get the basic box. You know what? I'm going to turn this around so you can watch me open it. There, how's that? This way we can open it together. See, it's beautifully presented. We get these mini sock stitch marker set. Now I know Norm makes a lot of their wood products. They have such things as sock blockers, the needle gauge holes that you can check the size of your needle. Really cool things like that. We also receive a sock pattern from Dana Ray Makes in it. Let's look a little farther. There's a QR code on here. I'm not going to flip this around, that you can also add it to your Ravelry account. So this is what the sock pattern looks like. Oh, it's pretty comprehensive, quite a few pages. I'm not going to show you too much, but nice big writing for me. Pine cones and wood smoke socks. Beautifully wrapped, just beautiful. And I love this stuff. I'm going to keep it. Now, this is not a surprise. In fact, I did see it on their website. I think I saw the colors. We'll find out. Ooh, yes. Gorgeous. Now, this isn't my gray. I don't know what is, and it's a beautiful burgundy and a kind of a dark green. This is the straight up sock set. 75/25 superwash merino and nylon, fingering weight, 4-ply. You get 100 grams, 337 yards, and you get two 20-gram minis, 87 yards each. And this color is called Gray Wolf, and there's Pine and Jammy. That is gorgeous. Yeah, I love this stuff. What the? I thought this was all that you got in the box. Dear Diane, you have been very nice this year and deserve all the extras. Love, Santa and Smash Knits. And this is made out of wood. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. This is my business card. Oh my gosh, Ashley and Norm. I'm trying to feel what this is. It feels wooden. Oh, Yarny people are the best people, I tell you. I'm glad my face isn't on here because I'm starting to tear up. Oh my God, looks like Hi, Diane. Ashley's Hub here. As a huge YouTube fan, I watched your videos and wanted to throw in some extras for you. Merry Christmas. Oh my goodness. Lavanellenterprises custom laser engraving. And that's his name, Norm. I'm going to also put this below. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Norm. And thank you, Ashley. This is just... I'm just goosebumply all over. This is like a little button hat made by hand. A little stitch progress keeper Smash Knits. Now, I don't know if you know this, but Smash Knits actually used to be a maker like me and sell her knitting before they turned into dyers. Made by hand. Removable pom-pom button. Look at this. You guys, this is over the top. And Christmas ornaments. I'm going to put them on the tree. Next year, I'm putting up a bigger tree. Home is where the yarn is. Oh my God, these are just gorgeous. How did you know this? Jeff, this is my husband's name, Jeff. I'm going to have to email. And Jeffy and Dee Dee, which is our nicknames. Oh my goodness. I can't, this is just, I got to turn the camera around. This is just too much. Thank you so much. This was so thoughtful and so beautiful. I'm blown away. I just can't believe this. Thank you. I'm going to need a bigger tree. Sorry, Hubs, your name is fully out there. I know I mentioned you one time. And clearly Norm watched. Thank you, Norm. This is so fantastic. I'm going to go and look online at your stuff right now, and I'm sending you guys a message. This is just out of this world. I am just blown away. What keepsakes. Thank you. Please check out Smash Knits. I'm linking their information below. They are a beautiful hand dyer of yarn. God, I can't believe this. Sorry, guys. I'm a big suck. A really big suck. I got to get it together. Thank you for everyone who has been watching. It means a lot to me that you've been here on this little journey of mine for December. And I'm blown away by the kindness of people. I really, really am.
For a moment, we can make the darkness cease. For Christmas, I just want a little peace.